for today is how to create Revolve or model in place using Revolve. From this one component, model in place component, and I want to create a Doric column from here. From here, columns, like just click and then columns, of course. And then I'm going to Revolve, click Revolve. Pick plane where I can draw, so I will pick only this wall. So I can pick, or I can set, or I can create my reference plane. But as of now, I will click this pick plane. Click pick plane. Okay, so I can draw now the section or the profile. For example, this is the half. This is my column. For example, this is my kind of column. Now, if I'm going to 3D view, it's look like that. Now, back to south elevation. So, if you are in south elevation and then you want this part to rotate, I want this one smaller, so it become nicer. So this will be my simple column. So right now, where do I revolve the shape or the section? So I need to pick the axis line, click the axis line. So of course, I'm going from here to here, not from here to here, because definitely it will revolve different ways. So I will click here in the upper portion and then going down. If you are going to 3D view, it's look like this part. If you are satisfied with that, it will become like that. So that is your column. You see, if I will try to move it so it's more visible. Okay, so if I click this one, just unpin it. Okay, in order for you to move, if you will not unpin it, you cannot move it. Okay, for example, I am in the perfect level, so I can see. So I can move this one. For example, at the corner. Mount it like that. So I'm done with this. Okay, go back. Oh no, it's beyond my landing. So I can move this one. Okay, so that is my column, simple column. Okay, so I already created. So again, you cannot change this one by clicking from the materials from this one, edit type. There is no materials to edit, so you need to edit in place. Go click the materials, and you can see the category materials from here. So you can apply OK, so it will be changed. So that will be your column right now. So beautiful column. Now for example, you don't want this column. For example, you are in the ground floor level and this column serves as an ornament. Okay, for example, I move this kind of column from here. Okay, so definitely you don't need this space from to overlap on the wall like this if you are only putting an ornament outside the building. So you don't need to uh, this part. So all you need to do is click this part, click, and then you will see that there is a, if you click this one, edit in place, and then click again the materials or the component, this is 360. What if I put negative 180 degrees? It will remove the parts, some other part from here. If I click check, okay, so that is the revolution or the revolve of the profile. So it only from that area. So if I want to click again and edit in place, for example, I want to cut it from here, click the materials again and change this one into negative 90. See what happened now. So it will cut up to here. So this is cut quarterly or quarter cut. Okay, so if you are in the ground floor levels, it's look like this one. So Revit is very powerful tools. Okay, especially there are many components or elements of Revit that very powerful, so you can apply it in your design. Okay, so that will be our topic, using model in place using Revolve tools.